If you are a content creator, you need a good camera. Although you can shoot anything on your phone even if it is not an iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Naresh and today we have something exciting to unbox and explore. The Sony ZV-E1, a full-frame mirrorless camera that has been making waves among the videography and photographic community. Nowadays, even the movies are shot on the Sony cameras, and the Sony cameras are loved among the content creators. Movies like Creator that has been shot on the Sony FX3 and Sony ZV-E1 share the same sensor that the Sony FX3 is having. So let's get started. Alright, here it is, the Sony ZV-E1. By the way, I have purchased it online at shop@. Let's open the box. First up, we have the camera bag for the alpha camera. This bag is specifically meant for alpha camera. Some papers, documents and cards. Camera strap. Noise filter. Big battery, Z series. And at last, camera. It's lightweight but feels robust in hand. Sony has nailed the aesthetic and the build quality feels fantastic. The attention to detail is evident and I can already tell this is going to be a joy to shoot with. This is another box that has a battery charger in it. Now let's talk about the standout features that have been creating a buzz in the camera community. One of the most talked about feature of ZV-E1 is its full frame sensor that the Sony Alpha 7S3 and Sony FX3 have. This is a game changer for content creators, offering superior image quality and excellent low light performance. Whether you are shooting photos or videos, the larger sensor size can make a significant difference in the final output. Just take a look at the sample shots and videos I have captured with the ZV-E1. The clarity, color reproduction and dynamic range are simply impressive. It's a versatile tool for both photography and videography. Now another feature that has been getting a lot of attention is the flip out touchscreen. This is game changer for vloggers and solo content creators. You can easily frame your shots and navigate through settings with this intuitive interface. Plus, the autofocus on this camera is lightning fast and accurate. It uses real-time eye autofocus, ensuring that your subjects are always in focus, whether you are shooting stills or recording video. And let's not forget about the built-in image stabilization. Sony has implemented their advanced steady shot technology and it works like a charm. It's a fantastic addition for handheld shooting, especially in situations where a tripod might not be feasible. Additionally, the ZV-E1 supports 4K video recording, delivering crisp and detailed footage for your videography projects. In conclusion, the Sony ZV-E1 is a powerhouse for content creators. The full-frame sensor, flip-out touchscreen, rapid autofocus, image stabilization, and 4K recording make it a top choice for both beginners and experienced creators alike. If you found this unboxing helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave any questions or comment below. Until next time, happy shooting!